these nice jobs right here. 45, size 11. Not bad. Dude, they have some nice shoes up in here, to be honest. Got these gloves. 40. What size are these? 9.5. Those pretty nice. Got these little johns. Oh wow. Don't know what these are. We got the Jordan games right here. They got these little things. $35, size 10. It's too small. Little beat. It's whatever. They have some nice shoes. They have some. I saw some Futures. What are these? Force. Pretty nice. Nike sock johns. These are real nice 10s. These are 60. They're my size. Hey, baby. These nice Reeboks, like really colorful colorway. I don't know what these are. 35, size 10. Not my size, but these are actually pretty dope. Actually, I like those colors. Those laces, those red laces, make it really nice. Got these Johns right here. Sons of Mars. These Air Harachis in here though. The high top ones, I like the low top ones a little better, but these are actually really clean. These are size 13, but it's also no top. These are Adidas. I have no idea. Probably whatever. Plato's Closet has some really. Alright, what's going on, y'all? So I'm about to go to the thrift store and I'm do a little trip to the thrift video. So I'm only hitting up one store. They're doing a 50% off sale, so let's get it. Got this nice Gap fleece, this green color. It's not turning out pretty green, but size XL. Has a blue strip. It's kind of nice. Probably put that in my eBay store. That'll be a good look. Got this basic Banana Republic fleece, kind of a fleece jacket. Pretty nice. I don't know what size it is. It's size large, but it's $20. 50% off, so it'll be $10. I don't know. This might be a cop, might not. Similar to a bomber, but kind of not at all because of the bottom. But I'm just saying it's a black jacket. So this jacket's pretty nice. It's only $7. It's a Marlboro County store. Nice little parka. Nice metal buttons. Metal zip. Faux leather collar. Kind of a coat. Pretty nice look. Might cop it for only $7. Got this nice J.Crew coat, wool and nylon material. This will be a good look. They're listed on eBay, size XL. Charging $34, but it's half off to be $50. So this will be a good item to list. Yeah, so this is really weird, but low key my arms get tired flipping through these racks, you know. I have like really messed up shoulders, had to do physical therapy on them, but moving all these jackets and all this stuff makes my arms tired. So this is super interesting. Ethiopia, got that light blue colorway and kind of the green and all that. Almost like a dashiki, but not really at all. This is kind of cool, but I don't know. This looks like a cloud. Fringe stands. Look at that. You fancy, huh? That collar, though. We got this you know, very flamboyant, very colorful Coogee dress for the men out here. Size, you know, 6XL. The colorway though, it's just like a, I have no idea, but it's a really huge shirt. Oh my goodness, it's big. So this shirt's 2XL. Doesn't look too big, but I'm really like digging this colorway for a second. It's only 99 cents. I would try it on, but I have like so many layers to take off, but I might just snag this in like oversized wear or something. I'm like feeling it, so I'm probably gonna cop this. So that was my trip to the thrift video. I got some pretty nice pieces. Some of these I'm gonna sell, and some of them I'm gonna keep. I'm probably gonna keep the tee, and the jackets they're really nice, but they're a little too big. They're good brands, so I think I'm gonna get a good deal on eBay. The pants I'm gonna sell. So like, comment, subscribe, comment below the favorite piece in this video. Stay in style, guys. Peace! Go Buckeyes! Ohio State. The Ohio State. Buckeye Nation. National champs. You feel me, cuz? National championships. 2015. Ohio against the world. What?